Alright, so welcome back to our part 3 of our blog customization. So our theme has been imported completely and successfully. So just go ahead and click on visit site. So we'll have the page here already, so I'll just refresh this. Then let's see if our theme was actually successful, just like the way they said. Let's give it a little time. Okay. Wow. So our theme has been imported successfully. Let's check page 5, home page 5. Remember, we picked home page 5, 7 and 9. So that's those 3 we picked, and we're going to see how to work with those ones here. So it has been imported successfully. Our theme has been imported successfully, so we'll go ahead to customization now. So let's go back to our back end. So first thing, you come to theme dashboard. So let's customize our theme here. Let's remove some of the images and all of this. So let's just gonna work with we have about 30 pages here, home pages here, so just gonna pick only home page 5 and work with that. Alright, so this is our theme settings, our theme dashboard actually. So this is what it looks like. We are working with version 3.3. so we have installed the plugins, we have imported our theme demo, the documentation and all of that. So what we're going to do next, we'll come over to this reading. So we'll come over to settings, then in settings we'll go to reading. So click on reading. Here we're going to choose the home page. So here we'll put it to a static page. You set it to this your home page display, set it to static page. Then you click on this home page, we go with home 5. Then the post page is going to be, we have not selected this, but we can just go with blog layout 1. So when we post, this is where the thing is going to be going to blog. So then we can actually set this for blog pages per post, or we can leave it 10 is fine. Then we'll now do what, hit on this save changes. So wait for it to load up. Alright, so this stuff thought to use page 1. Okay, so we'll save, we'll come again and save. No, we didn't actually select the stuff then, so wait for it to load up, then we can now. Okay, good. So next thing again is for we to, let's go to pages. Before we come to customization here, let's go to our theme, our appearance. We'll go to menu. So wait for it to load up. Okay, it's here already. We'll have a whole lot of home pages here. So we might not do with all of this. So what we can do, we come over to this place to create a new menu. So there are 2 ways you can do this. I'll show you the second way, which is also important. So the menu, you just give it, let's give it best menu. Feel free to give it feel free to name it anything. So give it our primary menu. We can also give it a mobile app menu. We can also give it the AMP menu. Alright, so just click on create menu. So wait for it to load up. Okay, so now what we're going to do, our menu is empty, so just choose the item to push to our menu. So we'll go to view all. Let's view all the items here. So We use this as a post, as a home page. Yes, we use this also about. So let's choose what will be on our menu. We might want to put cart, but this is a blog website, so we don't want to sell anything. Okay, let's put accounts so that users can actually sign up if they want to. Okay. All right, so let's add to menu. Let's add to menu. While this is loading, let's see if there is any posts here. Wow, there's a whole lot of posts actually. There's a whole lot of posts. So we can do, let us push all the whole posts actually. Let's select all. Select all, then we'll add to menu also. So let's add to menu. Okay. So this is going to be pages on their own. What we can do, we'll just, let me remove this. All right, so then I'll bring this down. I'll bring this guy here down. All right, so this, I'll push this on beneath it. So this is going to be like a sub menu. No. Yeah. So on and so forth. Keep pushing. You drag them. Continue the dragging. Okay, same here. That's what we're gonna do. Keep doing all of this. Bring this. Also bring this. Then down to this one here. Then you click on save. Make sure you click on save. Always click on save. Whatever you're doing, you're saving. Always click on save. So it's loading up. All right, that's fine. So now let's go over to our pages. So this is where you can add pages if you want to add more page to your pages already. So you click on the add page. But for now, we just want to preview the pages we have already. So we can delete some if we want. So we have 49 published. I have 3 drafts. Then all those like this ones, we're not working with them, so we don't need this. Neither. So what we'll do, we just mark them and delete. Yeah, we'll just mark and delete. Move to trash. So move to trash. We'll just go ahead to delete those pages we don't need. Okay, so we don't need page, this block layer 5. We don't need this cart. Also. We are not building an e-commerce project, so we'll not be needing it. We don't need this. Okay, we're needing the contact actually. We don't need this. So we mark okay. We don't need this. The home page, our home page is or the front page is home page 5. So we'll just delete the rest and leave just home page 5 because we don't need the rest. To just go ahead to delete. Click on this. Also, those stuff you don't need, you just go ahead to tick them and you come to this bulk action, move to trash, then we apply. So it's just going to move it to trash, then to load up the next page for us. Then we can keep deleting. Let's go up and see what's happening. Okay, 16 pages move to trash. All right, so we'll continue again. We'll remove no, we don't need this. This also, we don't need this. This one, Also this, we don't need it, we don't need this, we don't need this. 25, no, we don't need 26. Though we have not tried, but we have gotten our best, so we don't need this. So stick on to this bug action, move to trash, then you click on apply. So this is actually going to move it to trash. Okay. Okay, so let's wait for it to load up. Alright, so we'll continue again. So we'll continue. We don't need homepage 29, we don't need homepage 30, we don't need homepage 31, we don't need homepage 32. Okay, we don't need this guy here, my accounts. Yeah, we'll be needing the privacy policy, is very important. We don't need the refund and return policy. We are not dealing with e-commerce, so we don't need this. We don't need this neither. We don't need this also. Sample page, shop, we don't need it. We don't need this. We'll come over to bug again. We'll click to move to trash, then we'll apply. So we have successfully deleted those pages we don't need, so that our website will not be too heavy for it to load up for scalability. So we need to move those stuffs to trash. Alright, so we are good with this ones, with what we have here. So we can, not this guy here. So let's, this is like a draft, so let's bring it to, let's make it to be visible on our page. Let's make it to be visible, so we can go and add it to our menu. So let's see the write-up. We can edit the write-up, the privacy policy, change some things, put it our name and all of that. So privacy policy, you can just read through and all of that. So after reading, after making your adjustments, your corrections, you hit on this publish button here to make it live. So give it a little time for it to publish. Okay. So our privacy policy is what is like. So you can view page if you want to. So I'm not gonna do that. So this video, we'll click on, just go back. Alright, so let's go add it up to our menu. So we'll go back to appearance, you go to menus. So let's add it to menu. Previously it was not visible, so we just published it. So okay, so here is it. Add to menu. Do we have contacts here? Okay, we don't have contacts in our menu, so let us add contacts to our menu. Okay. So let's give it a little time to load up. Good. Alright, so we now have it here. We now have the contacts, the privacy policy, and let's need just one. So good. Need just one. Then we'll go up 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Then let's go to customization. Let's customize. Before that, let's preview our web page. Let's preview our web page. Okay, so you can see we don't have so many home pages again. We don't have so many drop down. Just have one about, just have one account, just have one blog layout. So this is our posts. So you can see we're having homepage, home 05, we're having blog layout 1. So let's go and change this. Let's remove this name, remove this here. So let's go over to our page. Yeah, so leave. No, menu is not saved. Oh good Jesus, I forgot. So always remember to save your menu. Actually, don't be like me. Always remember to save your menu. Okay, menu has been saved now, so we'll go over to all pages. So just go ahead to rename this. Let's rename this guy here, this blog layout, and let us rename it to blog. Or I can give it any name. Actually, you can give it can name it to news, rename it to news. Well, just stick to blog. Just leave it at blog, and we'll just remove the layouts here. So just remove, we'll leave it to blog, then you hit on smart save. Hit on save. So this 23 over 10 over 100 there is the SEO, the search engine optimization. So you need to make sure this stuff is actually probably from 60, 70 or 80 or even 100 for your page, this page to be what, to be ranked. So we're not going to do that now, so I don't want this video to exceed 20 minutes actually. So go back again to our page. We'll rename this home 5 to rename this home 5 to just home. Just rename, come to edit, wait for it to load up, wait for it to load up, wait for it to load up. All right, so rename this, take, then hit on save, hit on save. So let's give it time for it to load up. While it's saving, then all right, so it's saved. Then we'll click on home. So let's refresh this page and see if what we did as boom. So we now have only our home. We are not having a home 5 again. We are not having blog layout 1 again. So let's go back to our back end. Let's go back to our pages. Yeah, okay, so let's go to our theme settings. Let's go to theme settings. Go to theme settings. To theme settings. Okay, so just going to end this video here. In the next video we'll see how to set all of this up, so I don't want this video to exceed 20 minutes. Bye.